Richard Montgomery High School is a public high school located in Rockville, Maryland. Rockville is the largest incorporated city in the county and the third largest in the state of Maryland. Large cities are known to have a greatly negative impact on the environment, including pollution, the mass amount of waste generated from so many people inhabiting a small area, the problems associated with runoff, and many other issues. As higher level IB biology students at RMHS, we are looking to reduce our school's carbon footprint and thus lower the negative impact that our city has on the environment as a whole. We plan on doing this by investigating the implementation and benefits of green roofs. Green roofs are a very broad category and can encompass everything from solar panels to rooftop greenery. Our project will focus on researching green roofs composed of vegetation and accompanying protective layers. There are several environmental benefits to these kinds of green roofs. Most notably, they can manage stormwater by absorbing rainwater in the soil. This can reduce water runoff, which will assuage the spread of pollutants throughout the city. Additionally, green roofs can extend the lifespan of RM's roof by lessening the roof's exposure to heat and UV radiation. They can also reduce the heat island effect, a well-known environmental phenomenon that happens in big cities. The reason why cities tend to be a couple of degrees warmer than rural areas is because a dark roofing material traps and retains much of the sun's heat. Green roofs can reduce this effect and also save RM's energy expenditures by cooling the building in the summer. Finally, green roofs are environmentally friendly because they improve the quality of the air around us. By naturally cooling buildings, less pollution is released from cooling machines, and therefore our air quality is improved. The implementation of the green roof is very much related to our HLIB biology course because if we were to have a green roof at RM, we would have to figure out the ideal conditions for the plants on the roof. This includes salinity, light, soil type, and the kinds of plants that would be best for absorbing stormwater and lessening exposure to radiation. Our green roof would have the following components, as seen in this image from the Green Roofs for Healthy Cities organization: structural support, a vapor control layer, thermal insulation, a support panel, a waterproof root repellent layer, a drainage layer, a filter membrane, a growing medium, and vegetation. The plants that we would buy include Allium sconoprasum and Delosperma cooperi, two species of plants that are known to be very hardy and aesthetically pleasing. They would work well on a green roof, among many other kinds of plants. In sum, we believe that by implementing a green roof at Richard Montgomery High School, we will be able to dramatically reduce our school's carbon footprint. Many well-known colleges have already begun to implement green roofs on their campuses, including Princeton University, Harvard University, and the University of Pennsylvania. The green roof at Princeton University has several different kinds of sedum and also provides an unorthodox sort of classroom for students, where they can study many different experiments in relation to the environment. However, since RM obviously does not have as large an endowment as several of these colleges, both economical and social considerations must be made. Green roofs are notoriously expensive, and a great strain would be made on Montgomery County Public Schools' budget if we were to implement one at RM. The existing roof would have to be checked to make sure that it is in good condition. If not, replacement could cost up to $25 to $50 per square foot. The building as a whole will have to be determined structurally suitable for a green roof as well. A simple green roof would cost about $10 per square foot. Additionally, it is estimated that an additional $1,000 a year must be spent for every 10,000 square feet of roof in order to maintain the green roof. Although green roofs are clearly very expensive, they are estimated to save about $200,000 over its lifetime, not to mention the priceless environmental benefits that they create. There will also be added social benefits from the green roofs. Our green roof can beautify the urban sprawl of Rockville. Additionally, green roofs are known to decrease stress levels of surrounding inhabitants. All in all, there are several different pros and cons to green roofs, but it cannot be denied that saving the environment is a very important issue. It is definitely worth our while to put the science and technology that we learn about in the classroom to good use and benefit the world around us. Hopefully, RM will be able to implement a green roof sometime in the near future. This would alleviate great stress off of our environment in many ways.